may pag-asa sa'yo. Yeah, ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL pa.
Mamaya, second game, next game, yung kalahati. Under 14 at under 16 nating finals, kasado na. We have our team set facing off each other in the finals. Ngayon, sa under 18 naman natin alamin sino ang aabante. Last 4 teams fighting for 2 spots in the finals. Unahin muna natin itong Bataan ALT Basketball Region 2 Apong Cagayan. Kung matatandaan nyo, kahapon naglaro itong magkaparehong kuponan na to with Bataan running away with the victory. Yung pala, that is only the start of this brewing rivalry. Iken Padamada starts things off here para sa Region 2, I should say. De Gia knocks down his first three. Had an off game yesterday itong si De Gia, and now looking to add and perform well. Egea, they send it to Padamada. Kilapio going for that steal. 4-2 is the score. Region 2 with a 1-point lead. Again, ang ganda ng laban nila kahapon. It just went down the wire where Bataan able to steal a victory. Region 2 gustong-gusto makabawi. At ito na yung kanilang pagkakataon para gawin yun. Eliminate Bataan and will go into the finals. Had a clean look. Didn't go in para kay Erwin Gozum. Again, one of the players that is really doing the dirty work para dito sa Region 2, and that shot goes in. 3-pointer dropping in. Making them on that one is a Jarby Bigaong. Seven to 3. Another strong start para dito sa Region 2, Apong Cagayan. Can this be a replay of what happened? Time out muna tayo. Mamaya natin balikan ang mga nangyari.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabak.
Six minutes remaining here sa ating semifinals game. Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Under 18 division naman tayo, as we will have a good contest. Nice look once again. And second motion ang itatawag on a Bigaong after making that basket will be called for that extra motion. Needing to sit for 3 minutes. Erwin Gozum knocks down the first one. Makes it both. Again, you cannot give itong Bataan basketball this momentum na to really get into those points. As we continue yung labang ito between Region 2 and Bataan kahapon, Region 2 majority of the way getting in the lead. Last second on that fourth quarter, bumitaw itong Region 2, inunti-unti sila ng Bataan as we head in to that amazing finish as this three-pointer going in. Having pumped up here, shooting that one, Angelo Adon. Getting that basket to go. 13 to 5. Our official score here with 5 minutes 27 remaining dito sa ating first quarter action. Another slow start for Bataan. A steal here, taken away, almost called for a dribbling violation. Picks it up, Masyadong malayo yung pasa. Adon was the last one who scored para dito sa kampo ng Region 2. Can they convert on this one? Swings it. Corner man. 3 on the way. It's in. At a start, Nathan Egea and the whole Region 6 squad shooting the lights out dito sa ating opening quarter. Again, we have seen this yesterday. Kilapio waits and scores. 4 minutes 20 to go. A 3 ball again. Couldn't make. Reloads. Masyadong malakas. Gozum secures that rebound. As we are approaching the final 4 minutes of action. Zacarias has been deployed here. JM has been deployed here for this game. One-hander by De Gia. Hindi papasok. Pero merong foul na itatawag. Joven Bachicha is in. Bricks Kilapio now at the line will miss on the first one. Three minutes 48. One more time for Bricks, knocking down. They are confirming something in the official stable, or maybe some substitutions. So bibigyan ng warning itong Apong Cagayan ng warning. 3 minutes 48 remaining. Bataan again looking to rattle off this solid start by Region 2. Outside shots falling. I believe they have 3 3-pointers in the first quarter so far. Zacarias balik dito kay Bachicha. Gozum drives. High looper on that one. Able to score off that drive is Gozum. Egea. Bigaong. I should say that is not Bigaong, but a missed opportunity there for them. That was Red Kamat. Couldn't convert on that attempt. Gozum again. Rebound by Bricks Kilapio. 2 minutes 50 remaining. What a start by Region 2. Bataan looking to bounce back. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan.
16 to 12. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes 39 remaining, I should say. Ating opening quarter. Subukang makabawi ulit nitong Region 2 on the offensive. Pass from the baseline was red. Didiskarte once again. Bataan ALT looking to cut the lead to 2. Kanina ay strong start by Region 2. Nawala na naman yung kanilang gigil on the offense as De Gia couldn't score on that one-hander. On that push, goes for that drive. Bantay sarado yung passing lane. Can't make that basket. Second try is in. Harvey Makadangdang. He was really on fire on yesterday's contest. Tignan natin si Harvey. Can he make it up for that loss yesterday? A minute 52 remaining. (18 to 12) is the score, a 6-point lead para sa Region 2. Joven Bachicha and company looking to add more points. Nice recovery. It is Sadier. Yun nga lang, nakatapak na sa labas. (18 to 12). Looking to make a basket here. Cuts on the sideline. Ball will be back on Bataan. Bachicha passes it. 3-man weave. Didn't complete on that break. Going for the finish, just running down. Harvey Makadangdang once again. 21 to 12 is the score. Lamang ng siyam ang Region 2. They go for the spin. Merong foul na itatawag. JM Zacanas will be called for that foul. Adon has hit a basket earlier. 30 seconds to go. Adon swings it. A 3-ball. Got it! (24 to 12). 12 puntos ang abante para sa Region 2. Traveling. 14 seconds remaining. Looking to make one more basket. Final 5 seconds to go. 3 says the clock. Makadangdang beats the buzzer. And scorching hot once again. Itong Region 2 Apong Cagayan. 26 to 12. Bataan feels lost right now. Let's see if they will recover.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na
At bago tayo magsimula, gusto ko lang i-shoutout si Christian Cerrillo. Special shoutout sa iyo ulit, Christian Cerrillo. Watching here from Bataan. Now we start our second quarter as the drop-off is received. Nice play on that last one. John Aldred Milamina scores his first 2 points. 28-12. Bachicha sends it on the right, drives baseline. Door was shut. Makadangdang sees a mismatch, and si Bachicha has no choice but to give up a foul. Harvey Makadangdang once again, kakapasok lang off the bench, then producing well for their squad here. Be at the free throw area. Misses on the first. May nainggit sa pagpapa-shoutout. Kenneth Martin, shoutout sa'yo. Ating official photographer. Of course, Derek Shadi Bohol. Makakalimutan pa ba natin? Sir Raymond, watching in as well. Ang hirap lahatin, baka matubos oras natin. But again, those are the people behind the scenes here. Our director, our photographer, at sa mga doing important matters behind the scenes sa Junior MPBL. And of course, special shoutout to everyone na nanonood sa ating live stream supporting either Bataan or Region 2. So far, Region 2, 17-point lead. 29-12. Looking for this cross. Once again on this three. Masyadong malakas. Again, looking to run. Breaking out. Merong foul na itatawag. Couldn't complete that basket though. Misses on the free throw. Itong si Joven Bachicha. Misses both. So I believe it was a clear path foul. Dahil libre nga si Bachicha on that drive. Di nga lang siya makakuha ng free throws to drop in. Could have cut it to a much closer margin. As they go for this drive once again, Miko De Leon will be called for that foul on the other end. (29-17). That won't fall. Three ball in the corner. On fire. That is just how I will explain it. Ashton Apigo has joined the 3-point party. Double foul on that play. That is Iken Padamada. Tsaka si De Leon, I believe. A steal on the other side. Now on the run, will finish it strong. Timothy Enciso making that tough basket. Kiambao has entered the conversation pero merong 22-point lead. Region 2 Apong Cagayan looks to be more prepared. Kiambao couldn't answer, having a reset. Gozum pounds the ball inside. It is recovered in the corner. Top shot. That is a tough shot. Joven Bachicha making that corner jumper, but it is a slow one. A steal on the other side. Goes for the drive. Will be shooting his free throws in. (34-14) is the score. Another three. That is off the mark. Couldn't make yung kanyang pangalawang three-pointer. Itong si Ashon Apigo. Nakasingit ng foul on that attempt. Tatawagan na naman Jarby Bigaong. Knocks down the first one. Joven Bachicha has hit the tough shot from the corner. Now at the line, susubukang ibaba ang kalamangan. 17 points. 34-17. Again, Apong Cagayan Region 2 came out to play today. Floater drops in. Apigo now has 5 points. Gozum nanganganib on that double team. Nice pass on that left side. Joven Bachicha again. 36-19, make it 38-19. Harvey Makadangdang, I believe, once again. 38-19, a 19-point lead. 5 minutes 25, crosses over, shoots at 3 and it's in. Starting to wax hot, Joven Bachicha looking to ride this comeback. Masyadong malakas yung 3-pointer na yun. Now looking to break this one again. Kilapio with a spin, bricks for 2. Kadangdang lost, cannot able to make that second serving. Kilapio will make them pay on this drive. Mintis din para kay Bricks. Makadangdang sends it out. Enciso high in the sky, nakapunta kay Apigo, just couldn't convert, and a swipe. Enciso, they go for that kill. Egea can finish. Both teams missing some bunnies down low. Nico De Leon knocks down the three. Don't look now, Bataan is in this game once again. 38-27, we have a timeout call.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
(38-27). Egea, Makadangdang, Apigo with 4 minutes 7 remaining, looking for those extra passes. Down to 11. Five seconds on the shot clock. Egea sends it out, a 3-ball. Couldn't break the house down. Itong si Apigo on that ring. Looking to attack once again. Joven Bachicha, he's been on fire. That time it went all air. Nice recovery by Kilapio. Sends it in the middle. Nico De Leon. Sila naman ang tatawagan ng 24-second shot clock. (38-27). Egea, one-hander, won't fall. Ball is stopped once again. Makadangdang scores. Kilapio drives, couldn't score. Makadangdang secures that rebound. Now going to push. And that ball is on the side once again of Bataan. (40-27). Gozum looking to attack here. Bachicha drops it off. Kilapio for 2. He has been the main scorer for Bataan all tournament long. Egea having a much better game. A bounce pass. Apigo. That is off the mark. Kilapio can cut the lead here to single digits kung maka-score sila, as we are in minute 45 remaining. Gozum sends it on the right corner. Finding some space. Gozum for 2. (40-31). Stepping through, Makadangdang. Mintis yung kanyang jumper. Pass was too strong on that one. Balik na naman sa Region 2. (40-31). Looking to make their move here. Sends it in the corner. Ball is out. Balik dito sa Bataan ang bola. De Gia will trigger the inbound. Kenji Balao looking to receive it. De Leon. They give it to the rescue here. Nice steal behind his back. They cannot rescue that play. Referees call a out of bounds already. Arnas. Balik dito kay Balao. Kenji. Fakes. They send a 3 ball. Didn't convert. 23 seconds remaining as a foul is called. Coaches of the Bataan squad, or I should say this Region 2 squad ng Apong Cagayan, not happy on that recent call. (40-31). Egea. Nice fake. Drives. Couldn't score. Second chance. Ayun na. Natawagan ng foul with 10.4 seconds remaining. Will be shooting his free throws. Iken Padamada. Iken couldn't convert. .3 to go. Going for this attack once again. 4 seconds, stepping back, inches closer. And here we go again. Down by 17 kanina. It is cut to only 9 points. Bataan, Region 2, Apong Cagayan in a close contest once again. We are at halftime.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, ha? MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MP.
Third quarter action. Egea misses the first shot para dito sa Region 2 in the semifinals matchup in the under 18 division. Baron Mercado covering the action, and we get our first 2 points. Looking to make one more comeback. Itong Bataan, they have done it yesterday. Question is, can they do it again today? Stakes are higher as we are facing, or we are going to look to see sino yung ating magiging unang finalist of our under 18 division. (40-31). Looking to make something here again. Kilapio. Bricks. Wouldn't make it. Nathan Egea throws it. Nice rejection by Joven Lachicha there. Good block by Bachicha. Pero 44-31. Mid De Leon. Miko with a miss. Still scoreless itong Bataan. Egea, Bigaong, tatawagan ng traveling. (44-31). Sends it to De Gea. He's hit 1-3 earlier. Makes that his second make of this three. Abe De Gea scores on that one. Makadangdang. Solid second quarter again for him. Goes for this attack. Sends it on the last second. Balik kay Makadangdang. It is recovered. Ball is on the ground. Held ball. Padamada and Miko De Leon fighting for that possession. (7:10) remaining sa ating third quarter. 10-point lead. 44-34. De Gea. They swing it to Kilapio. Bricks will lose the possession. On the run. Looking to finish. Nathan Egea. 46-34 ang ating score. Bachicha loses the ball. Makadangdang sends it on the right. Another layup. Nathan Egea. As these two teams looking to exchange back and forth. 48-34 is the score.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga.
So after that basket earlier by Nathan Egea, natawagan ng unsportsmanlike foul one of the players from Bataan. Kaya free throws will be on Bigaong here. Tapos kanila pa ang ball possession. Talking about from bad to worst para dito sa Bataan. Can increase the lead further. 15-point lead. Baseline drive. Just looking for that one, and Siso with a basket. 51-34, another 17-point lead. Looking to end the bleeding again. Gozom spins. Almost a swipe. Sayang, nangihinayang dun yung mga coaching staff ng Region 2 Apong Cagayan. (51-34). Di diskarte once again. They need of a big basket Miko De Leon. Mauubusan ng 24-second shot clock. Five minutes. 11 remaining. Region 2. Apong Cagayan. Susubok na naman. Makadangdang. Extra pass. Nice finish. Enciso doing so well in this game. Itong Region 2. No signs of cracks as of the moment. 53-34. Gonna go for this attack and drive. Basket won't fall, pero merong foul. Kilapio will be called, I believe, or I should say, other side. Region 2. Tawagan ng foul. Kenji Balao missing on the first. Knocks down the second. 18-point lead. 4:33 remaining. Makadangdang all the way. He is just on a different zone today. Pareha sila ni Nathan Egea. I love that nickname, Mr. Energizer, for Timothy Enciso. He is the one that really provided that energy, getting that stop, looking to run the break once again. Mawawala kay Egea yung bola as Enciso again looking to make something on the offense. Siya yung naagawa nung stop on the other side. Sends it in the corner. Looking to make some action. Nawala ang bola. Kilapio on the run. Again, Egea making a stop. Kilapio. Wala nang magawa doon si Timothy Enciso but to give her a foul. Kilapio rattles in the first one. After this game, tatlo na lang ang ating i-cover dito. First under 18 semifinals. Yan ang ating susubaybayan ngayon. As Region 2, Apong Cagayan looking to recover yung kanilang under 16 lost earlier. Itong mga kuya on the rest back. Bataan on the other side. Tinalo nila ang Region 2 kahapon on the elimination round. Pero so far, hinahanap pa rin nila on what happened, what worked on that game dito sa ating contest. 55-36. Nice cross. Enciso drives. Drops it. Makadangdang. 13 seconds to go on the shot clock. Harvey will draw the foul. Knocks down the first. Makes it both. (57-36). Looking to cut the lead and find some groove. Last touch daw, sabi ng ating referee, on the side, galing sa Apong, Cagayan. 1 minute 54 remaining in this second half of action. Third quarter, a second. Di makakalusot si Kilapio. One more time on the movement. Energizer. Couldn't hit that layup. Timothy Enciso will be at the line again. Love that comment referring to Enciso as the Energizer Bunny for Region 2 Apong, Cagayan. Knocking down the first one. Has made big plays dito sa ating semifinals. Strong on the second. He gets the ball back. He is just everywhere. And as a coach, you love players like Timothy Enciso. Pasok yung una, mintis yung pangalawa, able to get that possession once again. As he is back at the line for the third and fourth time. Knocks it down on the first try again. Second free throw is good. Timothy Enciso has provided the spark here. Continues to make some impact. Kilapio will finish the play and one. Again, consistent itong si Brix Kilapio. Joben Bachicha has really can't control here and just di makapuntos pa in this second half. Jumper open. Rebound by Iken Iken, I should say. With that move, show and go. Padamada gives us a highlight and a swipe from behind. On the run, 3-on-1 break and one. Energy is here. John Milamina. Region 2, Apong, Cagayan. Safe to say, natutunan na nila yung kanilang pagkakamali kahapon. Padamada Milamina making those big plays. De Leon can't get a basket. Smallest man on the court gets that rebound. Iken again. Couldn't get that basket. Will get more opportunities. Drops it off. Merong foul na itatawag. Again, who's there? Enciso again. When you look at the lineup nitong Bataan, you got Iken Padamada, you got Aldred Milamina, tapos itong si Timothy Enciso. when you look at their height, hindi gaano nagkakalayo, but they were able to sneak in against the taller, wider defenders and front court nitong Bataan dito. Sometimes, rebound isn't about height, it's about intensity and effort. And so far, yun ang nakikita natin dito sa Region 2, Apong Cagayan. 6-7, 3-8. We have a blowout here in the third quarter. 11.7. Still, Kilapio aggressive on the lane. Three seconds to go. And Ciso will be called for a loose ball foul as we end the third quarter. Pero grabe pa rin ang energy dito. Grabe pa din ang pinakita ng buong koponan ng Region 2. 67-40. Penalty situation. Kaya nasa free throw area itong si Justin Avellana. We will end the third quarter 67-41. Region 2, Apong Cagayan up big here. Let's see if they can finish the deal in the fourth.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan,
Fourth quarter action. Region 2, Apong Cagayan versus Bataan. In this game so far, full control itong Apong Cagayan. Yun nga lang, merong foul on that three. Joben Bachicha fouled on 3. Missing on the first. (43 to 20 or 43 to 67), a 24-point lead. Makadangdang sends it in the corner. Didn't take it. Stepping on the line. Para sa Region 2, hindi pa pwedeng mag-relax. Yung habol ng Bataan kahapon started in the fourth quarter. They scored the first 2 points courtesy of those free throws by Bachicha, and here he goes, blazing speed. gives off that layup. Grabe rin ang sagot. Nathan Egea. Sinagot din naman agad. Balik sa 24 ang abante. Gozum. Zacarias. 3 on the way. De Gea misfires. Milyamina secures that rebound. Egea isa pa. Nathan couldn't finish, will get the rebound. Itong si Kilapio. Gozum with a finish. Tatawagan ng foul as De Gea went in. Sila Zacarias looking to help their squad here. (6-9) 4-7 is the score. 22-point lead. Kilapio. Balik dito kay Zacarias. Bachicha has 2 points. Goes for that drive. Will not finish but merong foul. (69-48). 21-point lead. Makadangdang once again sends it for 3. Making it rain. Walang tagtuyo sa Region 2 Apong Cagayan. Have hit a couple of 3-pointers on their name. Angelo Adon adds on to those 3-pointers. Kilapio turns and shoots. He needs help. Him and Bachicha needing more help here. Down by 22. Makadangdang, one of their more consistent players, just missing on that 3. Going for the push once again. Kilapio rejected that time. Makadangdang says no. Egea, baseline, bitin, follow up is good and 1. Angelo Adon, 2 3-pointers and 1 opportunity, will be at the line. (6:34). Angelo Adon has at least 9 points in this game. Dalawang 3-pointers, making that 3-point play count. 25-point lead. (75-50). Kilapio once again on the high post. Mukala ko maaagawan on that last play. Bachicha will be at the line. Joben Bachicha will knock down the first one. Knocks down the second. 75 to 52 is the score, approaching the final 6 minutes. Harvey Makadangdang will be fouled. Region 2, isa na lang, penalty na. Bataan, tatlo pa. Only their second team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Five minutes 50 to go. Again, Region 2 looking to correct yung kanilang pagkakamali kahapon. Adon again! Big quarter for Adon. 9 points in this fourth. Zacarias, Bachicha, their own version. Good rejection. On the run, Bigaong. Egea, Bigaon. Region 2, Apong Cagayan. Naaamoy na ang finals. Bataan looking to talk things through.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang...
Nabasa ko sa ating comment section, ano daw ang second game? Second game natin, under 18, Battle of Laguna. Yan, magandang laban din yan. But so far, let's just focus on this one. Apong Cagayan, 28-point lead. Can't find themselves itong Bataan in this game. Egea has been playing so well since the start of the game. Mas kontrolado niya yung laro compared kahapon. Milyamina, di makaka 3 points, gets their own rebound. See, for Egea, he is just in full control. And count that, basket in. Again, ang second game po natin, Battle of Laguna in the under 18. Ang mananalo doon, yun ang kakalabanin ng mananalo dito. But with 4 minutes 34, looking good. Apong Cagayan, lamang ng 30. Sabi ni JV Manaligod, shoutout daw kay Lisel Castillo. Jose Trinidad, sabi na shoutout daw kay Armon Yap Calvo. Happy birthday! Enjoy this game. Region 2, Apong Cagayan, after choking that lead kahapon, ngayon nakabawi. Lamang ng 30. Kilapio with a miss. On the push, once again. Make it 11 points. Angelo Adon. (84-54). This is how you bounce back from a disappointing loss kahapon. A different team itong Apong Cagayan today. Ang daming mga ginawang maganda nitong Apong Cagayan. They started things off with a solid outside shooting. De Leon knocks it down on the first. Jovin Zinampan, shout out supporting Region 2, watching in Dubai. Nakabawi ang Region 2, nakabasa pa ako. Swerte daw ang Region 2 today. I believe hindi lang swerte, as Enciso makes that basket, mas kontrolado nila yung laro. Unlike kahapon, they were really all over the place. After mag-init ni Makadangdang, everyone just stood at talagang inantay lang matapos yung laro. Pero ngayon, until the fourth quarter, lahat ng players ng Region 2 really produce. Kahit yan si Apigo, nakailang puntos din yan. Adon has 11 points in this game. Lahat sa fourth quarter. So he has more dahil naka 3 points din yan kanina. Meanwhile for Bataan, itong si Kilapio, the lone player for them. Apigo with a basket. The shooting, the playmaking, the discipline on defense. Yan ang naging susi for Region 2 to have this 34-point lead. Shoutout daw kay J. Vincent Tamayaw. Sabi sa ating live stream, and again, just a sad loss on the side of Bataan as Kilapio, just a one-man army para dito sa Bataan. Winning yesterday, impressive kahapon. Total opposite of this one as we are into the last 2 minutes. As Kilapio fouls Bigaong, Apong Cagayan. Yung daan papuntang finals mas lumiliwanag na. Knocks down the first one. $90 points to respond. Subukan nating hanapin, balikan yung nangyari kahapon, the score of last game, para magkaroon lang tayo ng ating pag-uusapan dito. 72-65, yun yung score kahapon. Gozon had 24 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists. This game, I believe, hindi naka-abot ng double digits in this game. For Bataan, 72 points kahapon, only 59 today. For Region 2, 65 kahapon, scoring 90 points ngayon. That is plus 25 and minus 13 or minus 12 para dito sa Bataan, and that is just the gap of this game as we look to just wrap things up. Ganon na ibawi ng Region 2 itong panalong ito. Sunshine Biyong, pinapa-shoutout si The Energizer, Timothy Enciso. Again, he just transformed this game to what it is. Ang ganda ng kanyang laro. Not only him, I should say it, para pag-usapan natin, as you see Enciso on the screen, goes for that drive and still continues to score The Energizer Bunny has done it again. As I look at their lineup para dito sa Apong Cagayan, Padamada naka-score. Adon had 11 points in the fourth. Enciso at the line. Jarby Bigaong nakabawi after having that unsportsmanlike call earlier. Second quarter, Harvey Makadangdang. Siya naman ang nagbuhat for the squad. Ashton Apigo naka 3 points din. Nathan Egea has been so consistent in this game. I just mentioned how many 6-8 players for Region 2 Apong Cagayan punching their ticket. First seed is theirs. Ang kakalabanin nila, yun ang aabangan natin sa ating susunod na laro. Battle of Laguna. As we wrap it up with 10 seconds to go. Apong Cagayan punches their ticket na ibawi yung kanilang mga younger teammates in the under 16. Impressively, I might add, they just took off, run away. 93 points for this squad. Very, very impressive. They are into the finals. Ang kanilang makakalaban, yun ang ating panonoorin sa aming pagbabalik.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng